Welcome back to another Reni's Gourmet video, and today we will be making the best pumpkin pie that you will ever make. To make this recipe, you will need 1 9-inch pie crust. You can use homemade or store-bought, but do not use graham cracker crust. You'll also need 3/4 of a cup of packed light brown sugar. If you don't know what packed brown sugar is, go check out my cookies video if you don't know. You will also need 1.5 teaspoons of pumpkin pie spice. You will also need 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 15-ounce can of pumpkin puree. Do not use pumpkin pie mix. I am not talking about pumpkin pie mix. You will also need 1 12-ounce can of evaporated milk and 3 room temperature eggs. Please make sure the eggs are room temperature. First, line a 9-inch pie dish with dough and crimp the edges. If you don't know what crimping the edges are, here's how to do it. Use the index finger of one of your hands to push an indentation in the dough from the inside edge out. While you're pushing the dough with your finger, use the thumb and index finger of your other hand to pinch the dough around your finger to encircle it, like this. Next, preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. In a large mixing bowl, whisk the brown sugar, pumpkin pie spice, and salt together. Then, add the pumpkin, evaporated milk, and eggs, and whisk until well combined. Using a fork, lightly indent the bottom and sides of the pie. Then, lay aluminum foil over the pie and make sure to cover the bottom and the sides. Then, put rice, beans, or pie weights on the aluminum foil. Then, bake in the oven for 8 minutes. Remove the pie from the oven and remove the aluminum foil with the beans. Then, pour the filling batter into the pie and bake for 15 minutes. After that, reduce the oven temperature to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for another 40 minutes. Remove from the oven and set on the wire rack to cool. The best way to store it is to place it in a refrigerator because the pumpkin pie is an egg-rich pie. And there you have it. The best pumpkin pie that is perfect for your Thanksgiving desserts. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please share your responses on how this recipe goes for you and give me some advice. Bye. See you soon.